Hi YouTube fam, thanks for tuning in to CeeDeeLight today. This is Dee here, and I'm hoping this is going to be a quick and fast video. But as you know, if you follow me, if you're subscribed to me, you know I've recently purchased a 2025 Indian Scout Classic. And so this particular purse, this is like a side hanging bag, I had bought probably, a year ago from Harley-Davidson, and the reason was because I was looking at purchasing a Harley-Davidson, so I was kind of like, oh, this is cute, this is nice. If I ever get one, I will have this. Well, I didn't get one. I decided to go with Indian for various reasons that I won't get into here. But since I have a bag, and no, I don't hate one brand over the other. I love all motorcycles. So I will test ride any motorcycle that I can safely fit on. So Harley, Indian, Yamaha, Kawasaki is my first love though. Honda, whatever it is, I'll ride it. But this is what we're going to do. So this is an embroidered type patch. So, I really didn't want to go and tear up the inside and unstitch it and all that stuff. So basically I'm going to take an easy route. So what I went to do is I went to, I think it was Michael's, and I went to get loops and thread, denim patches. So it was 3 pieces, 3 different colors. So color I was looking for was black. This is a denim bag. All right, so I have my patch. So, of course, it's not going to be an exact match. I'm not worried about that. This is something I ride or have when I'm outside of my motorcycle, walking around town, something quick and easy. So what I'm going to do is actually, and this is an iron-on, but what I'm going to do is basically cover up the Harley-Davidson logo. I'm going to have this centered and everything as much as possible. And I'm going to put that on. And then I was able to get a Indian patch that when I went to demo days last year in Southeast Virginia, you get your swag bag. So I was able to get this. So basically I'm going to take it and put it on the bag. And this too, I believe is, I think this is an iron-on too, but if not, I do have a sewing machine and I can stitch around it. Should be able to stitch around it with no problems. So I'm going to come back with the final look and then just show you. So like I said, this is an easy DIY. I have not found one of these purses on Indian. If I did and it was of a reasonable price, I would get it. But until then, this will serve the purpose that I needed to serve. So I'll come back with the end result. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Okay, I just want to let you know I came back. I actually decided to cut it a little bit smaller so it wouldn't be so much of a big patch. So I cut it enough just to cover the Harley-Davidson side. I'm going to keep the machined side to the top, and then again I'm going to hopefully iron this down. If it don't stay ironed down, I'll stitch it down or fabric glue it down or something, and then I'll put the Indian logo here, or yeah, probably be centered some type of way. So just to let you know, I basically cut this a little smaller so it wouldn't be too humongous of a patch. All right, see you in a few. Okay, just coming back to show you, I ironed on the denim patch, and this is not an iron-on. So what I'm going to do is use some fabric glue, Gorilla fabric glue, and then once the glue is up there and the patch is down, I'm going to put this 15-pound kettlebell on top and let it stay over there overnight. All right, I'm back, and this is the finished product. So again, I had to use fabric glue, and I showed you that earlier, and then I put weights on top of it, and this is the next day, and it's up there, and I am satisfied with the outcome. Hey, it's Dee. I wanted to show you the end result of my converted Harley bag into an Indian bag. So as you see, I put the patch over it, and then I had an Indian patch, put that on top, and so matches the shirt. It is a crossbody bag, so it also works great for that. So as you can tell, if I'm walking around, you never knew it was a Harley bag. It's now an Indian bag. I love DIY. All right, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you like what you see, please comment, like, subscribe. I really would like to have new subscribers to join the CeeDeeLight family. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.